Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. This is definitely something worthwhile doing, as it will most certainly save you if something was to go wrong in Windows 10. For example, if Windows corrupts or you get a system file error, then you can restore back to a point in Windows 10 when it was working fine. To start off with, first we need to open up our start menu, and you now need to type in system, and you now need to type in restore. And you will then see create a restore point. You now need to click on this option. And we now need to click on create, underneath create a restore point now. And you can now give the restore point a name. I'm just going to go ahead and call this Windows 10 working fine. We can now go ahead and press create, and there we go. I have now successfully created a restore point. I can now go ahead and press close. If you haven't got the protection on, then you won't be able to create a restore point. So make sure you do turn on the protection on your drive. To turn this option on, all you need to do is click on configure, and then you can click on turn on system protection. And then you can choose how much space you would like to use for the protection. If you do need to restore your system to a point when it was working fine, then all you need to do is go back onto this window, and you then need to click on System Restore. We can now go ahead and press Next, and as you can see, we have Windows 10 working fine, and we have the date. We can then go ahead and press Next, and then our PC will restart, and it will restore Windows 10 back to the point that we've chosen. And that's how easy it is to create a system restore point and then also restore your system back. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.